Today I want to demonstrate the difference between super glue and plastic weld. I'm using this super glue. It's called a 3M Scotch Weld, CA40H clear. Now these two parts are held together currently by this super glue. I printed these. The filament on this is, so if you are using super glue, some type of glue, or if you're using those kits with the little double nail, whatever heat gun you press into the surface, I can tell you this, stop using that. The best solution for me that I have found out, just get PLA left over, whether this is a ABS, whatever that you're printing. And this $3, $5 nowadays at Harbor Freight soldering iron, that's all you need. I mean, the super glue, they're so expensive these days, those kits that they're selling to you. If you have those staples with the edge sticking back out, you gotta go back and cut every one of them. And then if you wanna sand it down to clean up your surface, wow, that's a lot of crazy work. Different materials, different sand rate, and you won't get a perfect surface. You have a headache dealing with that. It holds well like this. I can shake it, I can turn it, but what I haven't done is try breaking it. So shall we break it? I wonder how much force will it take to break this thing. There's a snap there. It is actually pretty strong. To my surprise, some area cracked, but it is pretty strong. But if I apply force, it's a clean break. So I don't really care about the perfect alignment at this point in time. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this solder iron, which is hot right now. So this channel does two things. It heat bonds the two pieces underneath, the two pieces. Then I will take this on top of it and press it in. Then I fold it over. Now you have plastic fusion. I've got this whole thing plastic welded, the seam, except for here, but I did it in the back. I have to say it's pretty strong. I'm warping it, so this is way better than super glue. You can see that? Everything is warping. And of course, if I want to break it, yeah, I can probably do so. But check this out. Okay, finally broke.